If you think gaming laptops have hit their performance ceiling, think again. Imagine a machine so powerful it can handle the latest WoW titles, hefty creative workloads, and future-proof features all without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving deep into the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gaming Laptop 2025, a true beast in the gaming arena. Stay with me as we unpack what makes this laptop a powerhouse and where it might fall short. Hi, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. If you're on the lookout for a gaming laptop that promises not just speed, but also elegance, innovation, and expandability, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i 2025 might be on your radar. With its cutting-edge Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor, NVIDIA RTX 5080 graphics, a vivid 16-inch QHD+ OLED display, and plenty of next-gen connectivity options, this laptop aims to redefine mobile gaming and serious multitasking. Let's explore its strengths and weaknesses so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Unrivaled performance powered by the Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor boasting 24 cores, reaching up to 5.4 GHz combined with the NVIDIA RTX 5080 16GB GDDR5 GPU, this laptop handles heavy multitasking, audio gaming, and creative workloads effortlessly. Whether you're rendering complex scenes or streaming live, the AI-enhanced GPU features like DLSS4 and ray tracing allow for stunning visuals and smooth frame rates without compromise. Brilliant OLED display, the 16-inch WQXA OLED panel with a 240 Hz refresh rate and under 0.0 milliseconds response time delivers breathtaking colors thanks to 100% DCI P3 coverage and Dolby Vision support. This means deeper blacks, brilliant contrast, and vibrant, true-to-life visuals that enhance every game or media session. NVIDIA G-Sync integration keeps gameplay tear-free, while TÜV Rheinland certification ensures your eyes stay comfortable during extended hours. Advanced cooling and intelligent tuning. Lenovo's AI Engine Plus automatically optimizes CPU and GPU performance in real time based on your workload, maintaining ideal clock speeds without unnecessary power spikes. The cold front cooling system uses a vapor chamber, a triple fan design, and manages thermal output up to 250 W TDP while maintaining whisper-quiet operation, so the laptop stays cool without distracting noise, even during intense gaming marathons. Top-tier audio and features. The immersive 4-speaker system with Nahimic 3D spatial audio ensures rich, directional sound, enhancing both gaming immersion and content consumption. Additional perks like the 5mm e-shutter webcam cater to high-quality streaming or conferencing, while the per-key RGB Lenovo TrueStrike keyboard provides precise input with satisfying key travel and dedicated customization to tailor your gaming or typing experience. Portability and weight. Despite its power and premium build, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is a fairly hefty machine. With its robust cooling system and extensive hardware, it lacks the ultra-light portability some users expect from modern laptops, making it less ideal for frequent travelers or users seeking extreme mobility. Battery life limitations. The powerhouse components and high refresh rate OLED display demand significant energy, resulting in comparatively shorter battery lifespan when unplugged. This means you'll generally want to game or work near a power source, which might limit casual or on-the-go use. Price premium reflects in complexity. The advanced hardware and upgrade options like up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and 8 TB SSD add incredible potential, but also introduce complexity for users less inclined toward extensive customization or those who want an out-of-the-box, straightforward experience without tweaking or upgrading. Limited webcam placement and privacy controls. While the 5MP e-shutter webcam is excellent in clarity and privacy, its placement above the keyboard, rather than at the top bezel, may feel unconventional for some users during video calls. Also, the physical shutter doesn't offer automatic privacy controls, requiring manual interaction to toggle, which could be a minor hassle. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i 2025 is unmistakably tailored for gamers and creators who demand peak performance paired with stunning visuals and smart cooling. Its future-proof specs, like Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, and vast upgrade paths, make it a serious contender for anyone looking to invest in a laptop that can evolve with new technology trends. However, its moderate portability constraints and battery life trade-offs mean it's best suited for users who prioritize performance over extreme mobility. On the Inspect Aspect scale, I'm rating this a vigorous vanguard at 9.2 out of 10. A superb machine pushing boundaries, with only minor quibbles keeping it from perfection. If raw power with premium visuals and thoughtful features top your list, the Legion Pro 7i is absolutely worth considering. Don't forget to check the link on the screen and in the description for the best deals and options available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.